How to get Apple gift card code. Apple Incorporated is an American multinational technology company headquartered in Cupertino, California. It is widely recognized for its innovative products, including consumer electronics, software, and services. You can buy Apple gift cards from Apple's official website. Visit the Apple gift cards page. Choose the amount, and you can receive a code via email or mail. Apple stores. Visit a physical Apple store and purchase a card. Retailers. Many stores like Walmart, Target, Best Buy sell Apple gift cards. You can also buy gift cards digitally through Amazon, PayPal, other trusted e-commerce sites. That's it. Thanks for watching.